Hi, I would like to talk to you today about an app that we use for our POS system at our restaurant, 2 restaurant locations and 1 food truck. We started our business a few years back as a food truck, and for a POS system to track our orders, we use an app called SalesVu, which we found online. We read reviews, they were good reviews, so we gave it a shot. So here's SalesVu, that's the app. We were taking orders while we were on our food truck right here on our mobile phones. And here's an example of an order. So that's an order. That's the order number, but you can change the order number to a customer's name. And while we're waiting to put the order together, once the order is completed, we'll call our customer up, Mr. Brown. He'll come, pay for his order, and we'll close it out right there. That's what we've done on the food truck for 4 years before we open up our second location. Once we open our second location, we got an iPad and we uploaded all of our inventory into that program on SalesVu for the iPad, and we can take walk-in orders on our iPad. It's the only POS system we use. It's worked for us for the past few years. Here's an example of an order on the iPad. So as you can see, the order is being populated over here, and the order number is 1053, but you can change that order number to reflect the customer's name. Once the customer is ready to pay, you hit pay, and there's an option for cash. As you can see up here, it gives you different denominations of cash, and then it'll tell you the change to give the customer. If the customer wants to pay with a credit card, we'll hit the credit card. And one of the recent additions to the SalesVu application was they integrated their software with the Square credit card processing company. We've been using Square for a long time, so once we found that SalesVu had partnered with Square or integrated their software to communicate with the Square app, it was a win-win for us. So I'm going to show you how we process the payment through this Bluetooth device. As you can see, it's processing, it's communicating. Customer will sign here. Once it's done, approved, and remove card, give it back to the customer. And then you have an option to send an email via text, a receipt via text or email. So I'll click done. But there's one more option to take payments as well with the Square device, and it's through Apple iPay. Your customers may be on the go. They don't like carrying cash or credit card, but they always have their phone. So another option that you have is to take payments with the iPhone. So I'm going to go here. Takes some getting used to, but the credit card. And there it is. Processed without using the credit card at all. Just use Apple iPay. So it makes everything easy. All orders are integrated together. The phone orders are synced to the iPad order, so I can see all of my daily orders, whether they were open on iPhone or iPad, all through either app, either program. So we continue to look forward to growing with SalesVu, and we think it's a wise decision if you use that for your POS system, if you own a restaurant or food truck. Thank you.